Hello and welcome to another new episode. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. Look friends, there are many kind of animal like big and small. We have farm animals and wild animals like rooster, donkey, lion, reindeer, black bear, lion, fox, elephant. There are many more types of animal. Let's get to know each other. So friends, let's start the video. First of all, I take it a black bear. Black bear is a cute wild animal and safari animal. Their color is full black. Here we go. Our cute wild animal, black bear. Let's wash him friends because his body is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Our cute wild animal, black bear. This is monkey. Monkey is a cute wild animal and safari animal. They have four legs and a long tail and love to play mischief in the trees. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, monkey. Let's wash him friends because he is very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, monkey. Next is very intelligent and sharp-brained animals, fox. Fox is the wild animal and safari animal. They are looking so cute and great. Here we go. Let's wash him friends because he's very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Our cute and favorite wild animal and safari animal, fox. This is kangaroo. Kangaroo is the wild animal and safari animal. They have two legs and two arms. They try to keep their children with their bodies. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, kangaroo. Looking so cute and gorgeous. Let's watch him friends because he's very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, kangaroo. Next is another black bear. He is looking so gorgeous. His color is very sharp and shine. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, black bear. Let's watch him friends because he's very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, our cute wild animal, safari animal, black bear. The next is our cute small sized dinosaur, Triceratops. He is looking so cute and adorable. His color is very awesome. Here we go, our cute dinosaur, Triceratops. Let's wash him. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, Triceratops. Next is our big wild animal and safari animal, elephant. Elephant is the biggest animal in this planet. Here we go. His color is very gorgeous and looking so awesome. Here we go, our cute wild animal and safari animal, elephant. And let's watch him friends. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, elephant, our favorite animal. This is pangolin. Pangolin is the wild animal looking so cute and he's a small animal. We go cute small pangolin. Let's watch him friends. Watch, watch, watch. Here we go, our cute animal pangolin. Next is leopard. Leopard is the cute wild animal and safari animal. They are very intelligent and very dangerous wild animal. Their color is very bright and very awesome. Here we go, leopard. Let's wash him, friends, because he's very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, leopard, our cute wild animal and safari animal.
And when they finally materialize,
This is heron bird. Heron bird is the wild animal. They are looking so cute and their color is white. They are looking so awesome. Here we go, our cute heron bird. Let's wash him, friends, because he's very dirty. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, our cute heron bird. Next is reindeer. Reindeer is the wild animal and safari animal. They have big horns and they are famous for these horns. Here we go. Our cute wild animal and safari animal, reindeer. Let's wash him. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go. Clean and sharp reindeer. Next is donkey. Donkey is a cute wild animal and safari animal. They are looking very gorgeous and they have 4 legs. They are looking so great and awesome. They are called maintenance animals. Here we go, our cute wild animal, donkey. Let's watch him, friends. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, donkey, our cute and favorite wild animal. This is king of jungle lion, our favorite wild animal and safari animal. They are looking very gorgeous and awesome. Their color is very bright, so looking gorgeous. Here we go, our favorite wild animal, king of jungle lion. Let's watch him, friends. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, lion, our favorite animal. Our last animal is rooster. Rooster is the farm animal. Looking so gorgeous. His color is very bright. Very high quality animal. We all love this animal. Here we go, rooster. Let's watch him, friends. Wash, wash, wash. Here we go, rooster, our farm animal. Friends, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, get daily videos and support us.